Hey, what's going on, guys? Josh White here, and today is an exciting day because I get to black out my emblems today. I'm taking it to the body shop to have them black them out. I realize I could probably do this myself, but to be honest, I'm too busy and dang it, I'm getting mud all up in my freaking... Too busy to do it myself. I mean, if I had a house and a garage, maybe I could sit there and do it, but I don't. So I'm gonna take it to the body shop and have them put them on. So here are what the emblems look like. Got the gloss black. You can really see it like that. They're gloss black. You got the Mustang, the GT, and the 5.0 badges. I'm thinking about, instead of doing the red dot, it comes with a couple of black dots there. You can see, have them doing the black dots, so it's just all black. So yeah, we'll see how it turns out. I decided to go with the gloss black instead of the matte black because I plan on putting on stripes, putting stripes on the car, and I plan on having those be gloss black. So I think it'd look weird if I had matte black emblems with gloss black stripes, and then gloss black rims. Alrighty, so see how it turns out, and I'll definitely do a video. I'll definitely get footage of how it looks after they're installed. I'm at the place that's gonna install them. Again, if I had the time to do it, I would. But not only that, but if I had a garage, which I don't, over at an apartment complex, so yeah, I have to do it outside, and the weather hasn't really been that great. It's cold. Yeah, have these guys do it, see how it turns out, and then I'll get footage of the results. So while I'm waiting on Joseph, I can take the time to show you guys what this digital cluster looks like, which I think is awesome. As you can see right now, I have a normal mode, but it changes as you change the modes. So you can see Sport Plus. Track changes again, so it's for trackies only. And there's drag strip mode. Nothing really changed for that. Yep, and then back to normal mode for now. That would be it. I would have it in track mode or a Sport Plus mode, but the weather's not great today. It's wet outside, so I'm just having normal mode. Okay, and then to come across, we got these things are pretty cool. Shows oil pressure, the vacuum, part of the Performance Pack 1 package. I don't know if it comes in the Performance Pack 2, and actually I'm pretty sure it does, but yeah, this is a Performance Pack 1. Hey, what's going on, guys? Josh White here, and today is just a horrible day because I have to go to the shop to get this fixed. Yeah, a flat tire. It actually happened last night. Me and my wife were headed to Oklahoma City to hang out with some friends, and I caught a flat on the side of the highway. Very unfortunate, but luckily I have the wheel and tire warranty, so that'll be covered. Hopefully they give me a new tire. I'll actually ask if they give me a new tire. But yeah, also as you can see, I have the black badges, so those are looking good as always. Alright. Okay guys, so this footage that you're seeing now is just some old footage of whenever me and Joseph did some filming over near the lake from a couple weeks ago. Last week, actually. As far as an update on my car, yes, I have some bad news. So whenever I went in to get the car, after they had fixed the flat tire, I had gotten to the driver's seat, turned the car on, and as soon as I turn the car on, I see warning lights flash up on my dash for the ABS system, the hill descent control, or something along the lines of that, and then the traction control warning light. Long story short, yeah, I have the car in the shop right now, and I'm hoping to get it back Monday, because I initially had an appointment on Monday anyways, to get the black emblems put on, which I already have put on anyways. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully they can get it all fixed, but I don't know if it happened during the process of them having to take off the wheel and then put the wheel back on and they messed something up, or if it was messed up during the process of it getting towed from where I was off the highway to the Ford dealership. But yeah, I'm very upset, and I just want my car fixed because I miss driving my car. So sorry I didn't get the video footage of all that when that happened, but to be quite honest, I was so upset I didn't feel like recording anything. I just wanted them to fix the issue. But yeah, so I'll be back with updates to keep you guys informed of what's going on, and then I'll put out some better quality videos for those black emblems that I did get installed. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.